So there is like big issue right now on LG phones, like on Android devices, especially on LG phones, that IMS has stopped. People get these notifications that it keeps stopping. So I'm just trying to figure out how to solve this issue. Maybe you don't know what exactly you can do. I just found this community forum on tmobile.com. A lot of users are super frustrated. You can see 78 replies in 12 hours. People literally want to figure out what to do with it. So I'm having the same issues on 3 phones. There is the same notification error. LG IMS keeps stopping. I just asked T-Mobile help on Twitter if they had a time frame of when this issue would be fixed. The response is that they do not know when it will be fixed, but LG is aware and working to get it fixed ASAP. So yep, and this is some kind of bug. I don't know if it's kind of scam or like some technical error, so I would really advise you to be super careful. People are super frustrated. They want to wait a bit before really factory resetting their phones. And then some people say, I did uninstall a couple of recently installed apps, but didn't reset the phone. It was suggested when I searched it up. Thanks for this, will be patient. Are we saying this is a T-Mobile issue, not hardware issue? This started just today. So this is some following suggestion. Go to settings, app notifications, app info, 3 show system, LG IMS storage, force stop and clear data. This has stopped the issue, at least for now. At least it took away the 3-second pop-up notice. However, I did shut down or restart the message, started popping, so I already did the about direction and the annoying pop-up message has stopped. So if you do that and then you just restart, like your phone seems this message keeps appearing. So, and this is kind of this annoying pop-up. It's not on iPhone, this issue. So yeah, this is just what it is. This is obviously a T-Mobile network problem. LG has not made any change to their cell phone Android system app, so T-Mobile must have made a network change that caused this error pop-up. Push T-Mobile. It's LG. So there is a constant, back and forth between either this like LG hardware problem or this is like a T-Mobile network problem. None of them work. I don't want to do a factory reset. It's not a T-Mobile. So do not factory reset. It doesn't work. And people actually say that this solution is working. I tried everything. This is the only solution that worked. Thank you. So that's basically the idea. So yep, that's basically what I think. So just try that solution I explained above. So and seems that like this way, like T-Mobile is like, I don't know, it's not supported on some older devices or something like that, and that's why they're like, maybe it's a part of the strategy to push you to buy a new phone or something around it. So similar as on iPhone, if you start using like, if you have older iPhone 6 or something, then you can't upgrade to newer iOS, you become less secure, your phone starts to work slower, and then you kind of forced to buy a new iPhone. That's what was discussed on the Apple forums a while ago. So yeah, just again try out this fix and leave it in the comments if it works for you.